students. Now we will see the last property, chemical property of ether, and that is reaction with alkyl halide. So far, we have finished the preparation of ether from alcohol and by Williamson synthesis. Then physical property we discussed, and in chemical property we have finished reaction with chlorine of ether, its oxidation, and reaction with PCl5. The last one is reaction with Hi, that is hydrogen iodide. Reaction with Hi means hydrogen iodide, or you can say hydroiodic acid. You can say hydrogen iodide or hydroiodic acid. But when ether reacts with Hi, it reacts in three different conditions, A, B, C, that we're going to see one by one. So this is your symmetrical ether. R part is same. This is also symmetrical ether. R part is same. And this is unsymmetrical ether because R part is different. R dash. Now in all we are reacting with Hi followed by heating. So first one. So when you react ether with less amount of Hi, see what happens. This RO will take H to form ROH, and this R will take I to form Ri. That means you get ROH means alcohol, Ri means alkyl iodide. So when you react with less amount of Hi, okay, you get ether will convert to ROH, that is alcohol, and Ri to alkyl iodide when you react with less amount of Hi. For which I'll show you the example here. You can see from here to here, okay. So this is a symmetrical ether named dimethyl ether, symmetrical ether, diethyl ether reacting with Hi with less amount, and you are heating it. So here CH3O you break it into one half, the other CH3 you write here, CH3O then CH3. Then this H will go out here to form methyl alcohol, and this I will come out here to form methyl iodide. Similarly, if you react with this, again you break this into two half when you react with less amount. So ethyl O, then you write ethyl, and actually this is called diethyl ether, ethyl O ethyl, diethyl ether. So H will come out here to form ethyl alcohol, I will go here to form ethyl iodide. So when you react ether with less amount of Hi, you get alcohol and alkyl iodide. And if you hear the particular example, when you react with less amount, you get alcohol and alkyl iodide. So if you react with methyl, you get methyl alcohol, methyl iodide. If you react with ethyl ether, you get ethyl alcohol and diethyl ether. Now we go to number B. When you react with axis of Hi. So when you react ether with axis of Hi, here it is limited. Now you are reacting with axis and you are heating it. When you do so, axis means two molecule. Then this 2H will take this O to form water. This 2H will take this O. This 2H will take this O to form water. 2R will combine with 2I to form 2Ri. That means this time you get only alkyl iodide. You will not get alcohol, you get only alkyl iodide when you react with axis. Limited gives you alcohol, alkyl iodide. With axis you get only alkyl iodide. 2H will go with O to form water, and this 2R combines with 2I to form 2Ri. General example. Now let us see the particular example of it out here, students. So you are reacting with axis of Hi. So you will take two molecules. You will take two molecules. So 2H will take this O to form water. Here also 2H will take this O to form water. Now here 2-methyl will take 2-iodine to form 2-methyl iodide. Here 2-ethyl will take 2-iodine to form 2-ethyl iodide. So do remember, students, if you react with limited, you get alcohol and alkyl iodide. But when you react with axis, you only get alkyl iodide. You will not get alcohol. So with methyl, you get methyl iodide. With ethyl, you get ethyl iodide. So hope so you all understood till here. Now let us see the third condition. When you react Hi with unsymmetrical ether, unsymmetrical ether means R part is different. Okay, unsymmetrical part is different. R part is different, and we are reacting with Hi, the third condition. So when you do so, now what you get? So ROH will give you alcohol, R-I will give you alkyl iodide. So see the confusion out here, students. When both R is same, one R will take H, the other R will take I. Because both R is same, one R will take H, the other will take I. But in this case, R is not same. The question arises, which R will take H and which R will take I? So for that you have to remember this. Okay, R smaller alkyl group like methyl, formula CH3 dash. R dash means larger alkyl group, that is ethyl, CH3 CH2. This is smaller alkyl group, this is larger alkyl group. So always remember, in hydrogen and iodine, iodine size is larger. In group 17, you know the halogen size is, iodine size is larger. As we moved on, size of iodine is larger. So since its size is larger, so So therefore, it will take the smaller alkyl group. And in this two, which is smaller alkyl group? R. So R will go with I to form Ri. And hydrogen size is smaller, so it will take larger alkyl group, that is R dash, and it forms R dash OH. So we get alcohol. So always remember, when you react HI with unsymmetrical alkyl ether, then iodine having larger size will go with smaller alkyl group, whereas H having smaller size will go with larger alkyl group, and you get like this product. Larger with smaller alkyl iodide, smaller with larger, you get alcohol. But in such case, there is no problem. If both are the same, one will take H, one will take I. And this C is important for competitive exams. Okay? Now let us see the particular example of it out here. You can see ROR, but the R part is different, and you're reacting with H and you're heating. So iodine have larger size. Iodine has larger size in halogen group. So being larger size, it will go with smaller alkyl group. So in these two, which is smaller alkyl group? Methyl. So you get methyl alkyl, methyl iodide. Now this ethyl is larger alkyl group, so it go with smaller. This ethyl is larger alkyl group, so this will go with smaller size compound element, that is hydrogen, and forms ethyl alcohol. And this is important for competitive exam. So larger will go with smaller alkyl group, smaller will go with larger alkyl group, smaller alkyl group, H group, to form alcohol. So students, this is very, very important. So please take the screenshot to make the notes. And do remember the different condition how HI reacts with ether. Limited will give you alcohol, alkyl iodide. Excess will give you only alkyl iodide with water. And with unsymmetrical, you get alkyl iodide, alcohol, just like the first one. But who will give iodide? Who will give alcohol? Larger goes with smaller alkyl group. Smaller will go with larger alkyl group. So please do take the screenshot to make the notes. So by this, we come to the end of ether, students. So we are doing a chapter called ethyl alcohol phenol, in which we have finished ether today. From my next class, we will start is your alcohol. So we'll start with alcohol in our next class. After completing alcohol, we go with phenol. Thank you very much.